Fallingwater, nature's harmony in stone and water. Fallingwater, designed by Lloyd Wright in 1939, is more than just a house. It's a masterpiece that fuses architecture with nature. Nestled in the forests of Pennsylvania, this home is famous for being built directly over a waterfall. The sound of rushing water isn't just background noise here, it's part of the living experience, creating an immersive connection with the environment. Wright's genius lies in how he made Fallingwater feel like an extension of the landscape. He used locally sourced stone for the walls, blending the structure with the surrounding rocks. The cantilevered terraces seem to float above the stream, mimicking the horizontal lines of the nearby cliffs. Inside, expansive windows and open spaces invite the outdoors in, blurring the boundaries between the man-made and the natural. This house was designed for the Kaufman family as a weekend retreat, but it became a symbol of organic architecture. Wright's philosophy was all about designing buildings that complement their environments, and Fallingwater does this flawlessly. It's not just a house in the woods, it feels like it grew there. Today, Fallingwater is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and a beloved landmark for architecture enthusiasts. Visiting this iconic home is like stepping into a tranquil dialogue between art, nature, and human ingenuity.